I like. School bus. I like. School bus.
Hit the trash can to clear.
I feel. Hungry. I feel hungry. I want. Soft drink. I want. Soft drink. When. Outside. When. Outside.
You got school, transportation, activities, calendar, colors,
Brown.
electronics, family, favorites, which you can add your favorites into it, food and drink, feelings, home, numbers, places, school. Over here, settings, if I can get it to go. Alright, where you can edit a category, edit a card, create a category, or create a red card or yellow. You can print the sentence down here. You could do feedback and support to the maker, and you could do female or male.
Playground.
Which I like the female voice, so I'll put it back.
School.
And up here, you can search for, let's do dog. There's
Dog.
Just clear down, and there it is.
Dog.
So we'll do delete. I like
I like.
dog.
Dog. I like. Dog. I like.
And I hope this helps you figure out See Me Talk and see if you want to download it. Thanks.